What's the meaning of air? Air. Air.
Air. Air. Air is a word that can have several meanings depending on the context in which it is used. Firstly, it is often associated with the Scottish town of Ayr, located on the west coast of Scotland. Secondly, Ayr can also refer to the river Ayr which flows through the town and into the Firth of Clyde. Thirdly, the word can also be used as a given name for boys and occasionally girls. Finally, Ayr is also used as an abbreviation for annual yield rate, which is a financial term used to describe the return on an investment over a year.